Salam alaikum, my name is Afif Mazlan. Did you know? Normal ceiling that are used in construction, also known as asbestos ceiling. It is normally used because the ceiling are easy to install, cheap, lightweight, cool and easy to replace. However, according to Public Health Malaysia, this ceiling if broken could increase the risk of getting cancer, especially those who are working directly with these materials. The International Labour Organization estimates around 100,000 workers die every year from asbestos-related illness, and thousands more killed due to environmental exposure. If you use this asbestos, make sure the ceiling is not cracked or broken. Do not let your child play near asbestos because asbestos cancer can only be seen after 30 years. Asbestos symptoms include shortness of breath, prolonged dry cough, chest pain, lack of appetite, and night sweats. If you have any of these early symptoms, please make an initial consultation at a nearby health clinic. Thank you.